Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 90T, an eyedropper model fountain pen. The pen has a grey colored trim set and it has a golden clip and a golden ring on the cap, and the cap fully silver finished one, and it has a breather hole here which prevents the ink from clogging. It maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that ink cannot leak or burp ink through the nibs. And here this is the thread type opening. You have to unscrew the cap to open this, and this is number 5 nib. Yeah, this is number 5 nib with fine tip, a gold plated one, and you can swap the nib as you like. Since we have number 5 nibs in many brands, usually pen enthusiasts will swap with Candrite nibs. We are having a fine where we have a fine, medium, broad nibs, and also the again with the gold dual tone and with silver plated one, and also flex nibs can be swapped with this pen, and this is up to your choice. And for that you can go to our site and click pen spares, and then go to nibs. There you can use filters and make a query on what you require. Since the holding area diameter is a small one, this is a more suitable pen for little fingers, for little school going children. And also the reservoir capacity is more. You can fill more than 3 ml of ink in this barrel. So, and also please note, since this is a transparent body, please don't use primary color ink so that it will create a strain on the wall of the pen. And another important thing in maintenance is, please wash the pen regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage. It blocks the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing in the sign, and slowly ink will dry quickly, and you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow. This you might have experienced, and the reason is the blockage in the feeders grow. To clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder unit and the nib separately by holding the nib and the feeder together and twist and pull again. Yeah, it is easy to remove from the grip area. And then this is a simple 2 minutes process. Then you can flush the feeder with the help of any toothbrush or any brush, and clean it well with soap water or in tap water. If you are soaking this in soap water, then allow it for 1 hour and brush and clean this portion. And this is again easy to fix this. Yeah, you can easily fix this here. Yeah, in some ink bottles itself you can find notify the words given on every fill. It is recommended to clean the pen with water. So let me give the sample. In Brill ink it is given. Yeah, it is given here as a dye based fountain pen ink, and here clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. Yeah, it is given here. So it is clear. Unless otherwise we have a good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And again on the maintenance, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline over this thread portion, because all the threads tend to worn out. So to increase the life of the thread, please apply a silicone grease or Vaseline in this grip area whenever you are opening and closing the grip area during the ink fill. And also whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads of the barrel. So if you fill excess, leakage path will be created and you will spoil your ends. And also few pens needs to be fine tuned. because during manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down like this. So that a space is created between the tines, which allows the good ink flow on the pen. And please ensure both the tines are in parallel. If not, you will get a scratchy writing. But if you did the nib tuning, you will get a smooth writing, of course. And whenever we dispatch the pen to our customer, we do this fine tuning, and we'll check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. Now here I'm going to give a writing sample of this. For this I'm using our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. Yeah, I didn't dry here. Yeah, this is so smooth, of course, so smooth like butter. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.